Welcome to Auto In this video, I will share you the best tips and tricks for the iPhone 17 Pro that you must try.
Dynamic Island shortcuts. Swipe or tap the dynamic island to quickly control music, calls, and timers. Action button customization. Double press the action button to launch camera, record video, or any shortcut. Battery health boost mode. Extend battery lifespan by slowing charging after 80%. Face ID with sunglasses. Unlock your iPhone without removing polarized sunglasses. Haptic touch speed control. Adjust touch sensitivity for faster or slower responses. Back tap gestures. Double or triple tap the back of your phone to take a screenshot, open apps, or run shortcuts. Keyboard trackpad mode. Hold the spacebar to move the cursor precisely while typing. Translate anywhere. Long press any text, even in images, to translate instantly.